Hi everyone, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, and thank you for watching. Today's topic and conversation will be exercises for improving cervical posture, but I'm your local Lacey, Olympia chiropractor in the Seattle, South Puget Sound area, just south of Tacoma area, and today I'm sharing with you something of exercise related, and this can be helpful for your headaches, for your neck pain, can even be involved something you utilize in after a whiplash injury. And so, you know, when we look at posture, we look for our normal or best possible posture as can be, and that reduces the amount of stress that goes on in the body. You know, there are many factors that can occur to affecting the posture, and that's environmental things, you know, social or society things, forces like impact type injuries, trauma type injuries that can affect our good posture, being on technology for periods of times. These are the types of things that strain the muscle, strains the tendons, strain the ligaments, and over time, if you repeat that poor posture, it starts wearing away the disc, wearing on the joints, affects the nerves, pinching the nerves. So, you know, in the past videos I've shared with you about forward head carriage or forward head posture or translation. We talk about where the head sits, and for every inch forward, it puts an additional 10 pounds of pressure onto the spine, onto the spinal cord and the nervous system. Many studies have been done doing that, showing that. So what you can do to sit up straight and be more aware of your posture, you know, obviously activity can help reduce some of that, reduce the degeneration process that occurs throughout the life. You know, obviously another factor is considering watching your weight and where it's at, and can be really beneficial. In fact, I've had patients coming in, a couple of my patients in here have lost, actually 3 of them now, have lost well over 100 pounds. One patient dropped 150 pounds, but on the others, and working with them, I could feel a huge difference in how their bodies adjusted, and they felt a huge difference from when they were 100 plus pounds overweight and losing that, and the amount of inflammation that was in the body. And no matter what I did or what I adjusted, it helped temporarily, but ultimately they took charge of their health and losing the weight by reducing things that were inflammatory in their body and losing that weight. So kudos to them for doing that kind of thing. So first of all, you know, you want to be aware of your posture, whether you're sitting or driving or standing. The best thing to do is get some arch into your lower back, bring your chest up, bring your shoulders back more, bring your head back more, squeeze like this. You can do this several times throughout the day, just like this kind of motion, just to increase the curve in through the neck, in through your lower back, to reduce that stress that's on there. I mean, when you sit up straighter, you feel better. If you're on your phone texting or on the computer all the time, well, you start slouching over a period of time. Well, it doesn't feel good. So take a look at that. You know, some of this new head position that you can do definitely goes a long way. In fact, you breathe better, you sleep better, you're more aware, it's more natural. The other thing is to increase you know, strengthening the deep neck flexor muscles. You know, you can use a towel, which I've demonstrated before. You can use your hand for resistance by pushing against your hand. So the towel, your hand. And another thing is, if you have a Thera-Band, and I'll grab one here that you can use as well. Here we go. Thera-Band, this is, you know, you can get the tubing or the band. Actually, you can use this as a simple device that can be helpful in creating resistance in the neck. So look at some of the other videos, guys, or some strengthening that you can do. Do it forward, backward, side to side, and turning your head left, right. You can even do it with resistance, for example, by simply bending your head forward and turning it, using a towel to push in, or a bend and stretch. You'll change the angle or change the amount of tone of that muscle and increase the motion in your neck area. So take a look at that and see if that helps. You know, like I said, a band, a towel, your hand. You can do this for 5, 10, or multiple times a day. You can do it for 10, 15, 20 seconds. Guys, if you're feeling sharp pain, something else is going on. You need to get it looked at by a qualified chiropractor to help you out. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. Go to my website at drdavidwarwick.com. You can also visit my YouTube channel for more exercises that you can do, more tips that you can do. Check out the playlist. Go through my website onto the YouTube channel. Also get my book. You know, there's some great suggestions and things there for you to do as well. I'm your local Lacey chiropractor in Olympia, Washington. We're just south of Seattle, Tacoma area. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Take care. Watch for my next video. Bye-bye now.